Hey y'all, my name is Gregory Agid, and today I wanted to help you embrace your inner squeak and talk about overtones on the clarinet. Welcome back to another lesson video. My name is Gregory Agid. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you're returning, don't forget to leave a comment and hit the like button. If you're enjoying my content and want to support my channel, please visit my website where you can download transcriptions of some killin' solos and sheet music for my lessons. So let's embrace our inner squeak by digging into the overtone series on the clarinet. The overtone series is a natural phenomenon in which a single note produces multiple harmonics that exist above the fundamental. The fundamental is the note that we play, and the overtones are the pitches that exist above the fundamental. The overtone series is typically an octave, perfect fifth, perfect fourth, major third, minor third, and then from that point, the intervals become smaller and a little more challenging to differentiate. The overtone series exists in nature, and it can be used as a scientific way of explaining why our ear gravitates towards certain sounds and harmonic movements. Whether you're aware of it or not, I'm sure we've all played an overtone on the clarinet. Have you ever squeaked? If you've squeaked, you've played an overtone because squeaks are simply overtones. The clarinet has a unique overtone series that differentiates it from most other instruments. I'm going to play a low E, then hit the register key, and then I'm going to squeak my way up the overtone series. Each note is a little different. The overtone series from a low E is a 12th, minor 6th, perfect 4th, major 3rd, minor 3rd, and finally a major 2nd. E, B, G, C, E, G, A. You can play things like bugle calls, When I'm playing the overtones, I play a low E, hit the register key, and then I change my throat position to reach the other partials. Take your time with it, play one note at a time, maybe do some long tones on each one of the partials. This is a great tool to build awareness of where your throat position is and also develop some more awareness of your voicing. So now that we have this new awareness of overtones, it's important for us to remember that each note that we play has an overtone series that exists above the fundamental note. And the overtones are what help us develop a rich and multi-dimensional tone on the instrument. These overtones should be present and can actually be heard in the fundamental pitch. Something that helps develop a rich and multi-dimensional sound of the clarinet is being able to hear the overtones above the fundamental. So if I play a low E, you can actually hear the B a 12th above it. Check it out. So you can hear that when I'm playing a low E, you can actually hear a note a 12th above, which is the B. I'm going to play a low E, and then I'm going to play a 12th above it, and I want you to keep that 12th in your mind's ear and see if you can hear the 12th when I go back down to the E. So you can hear that when I'm playing a low E, the 12th is present in that sound. Hearing the overtones in our sound is going to help make our sound much richer and ultimately multi-dimensional. I'll play a couple different notes and see if you can hear the upper partial in the fundamental. So each one of those notes has overtones that exist above it, and the overtone is what adds depth and richness to our tone. Spend some time on different notes, play a 12th, and then see what overtones you can squeak out of your clarinet. A long tone exercise I enjoy doing is playing the fundamental, playing a 12th, and then playing the first overtone above that, and then going right back down. Take your time with these exercises, have fun with them, use it as an opportunity to become more familiar with your instrument, different throat positions, voicing, and different facets of how the clarinet works. These overtones are going to add depth, richness, and a multi-dimensional character to your overall clarinet tone. If you're enjoying my content and want to support my channel, please visit my website where you can download transcriptions of some killin' solos and sheet music for my lessons. All right, y'all, I hope this lesson helped you on your journey, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace.